Safety brief begin. Please take a high alert. It's rare weapon. Therefore, you have a responsibility to follow safety regulations to protect our safety. Rule is rule. Don't break the rule. There are no excuse of pedestrian. Rule is rule. Okay, here's the waiting zone. You must stay at the waiting zone. When you have the first whistle, beep. The whistle instruction, beep. That means outside clear, nobody. If you are turned, you can go to shooting line start. Therefore, don't do so fast. If someone stay outside, you shoot her out. You will be murdered. The common sense, don't shoot when someone is outside.
Yes.
Therefore, visual instruction is very important. Once again, stay at the waiting zone. Beep. Go to the shooting line start. And then finish 5 hours. Put the bow down and then back to the waiting zone. Don't go out. Someone is there. Unless you have the double whistles. Everyone finish. You can go out, collect our sweat. Once again, back to the waiting zone. Get the house. Only 5 hours for each person. 5 only. 5 only. Yeah. Back. Out and back from the side path. Don't climb over the fence from the side path. You hold the arrow, head down. Okay, one hand on the board, the other hand put it out. Hand on the board and put it out. Okay, beware. Don't stand behind the other hand when someone put it out. He will hit your eyes. Therefore, every board allowed one person only, not two at the same time. Yeah, don't stand behind the end. Yeah. Okay, the left hand hold the bow. The bow string maybe hit your left arm inside. This arm guard the position. You take on the left arm inside the 3 loops. You got to strap left arm inside. Who's left-hander? Please raise up your hand. Left-hander, no one.
No.
You
Left-hander.
take on the right hand. Right hand. We're in the shooting position. For the first step, the left foot step on the line. The left foot step on the line. Stand sideways to the right. And then second, the center arc is handled. The left hand hold and turn it up, down, up. One way only. Don't outside and go to the west option. You set the arc end into the string between the 2 ratings. Is stand up point, the back dot. Start the end into the dot. Not based on you come out. You must make sure start the end hardly fully into the top. Hardly, you fix on. Okay, the red wing to the left. The orange one is fast bouncing. You turn the other. If you turn the red wing to the other way, it will hit the ball. Make some infant shooting direction. The red wing outside. Okay, the arm body placed on the right wing, not on the wood here.
Okay.
Okay, the left hand fingers, all fingers, hold the arc, don't hold the stick. It's rendered engine when arc go out. It's not necessary. You hold the arc only, don't touch it. And then the right hand fingers, those are 3 fingers, stay on the string. The 1 at the top and 2 at the bottom there. Make gap between the fingers. Just hold the string, don't hold the stick, otherwise out, both. Therefore, hold string only with right hand fingers. And then strike the left arm. And the right hand pull the string back harder further. The second finger, the string touch your chin. Then hold it and aim the target. And release the right hand fingers, let go. Okay, the bow is low side for Y. You can use our head for aim or control direction by the left hand up, down, left, right. Okay, first of all, you can point the outer center, the yellow. If you shoot over the board, you can point it down a little bit, or down a little bit, or down a little bit. I aim the ground to the board, low side for Y. Try the right eye for him. Close the left eye, open the right eye for him. Okay, to summarize. Okay, I show you once. Okay, stay at the waiting zone and speed. Go to start. For the 4 steps you follow, the first step, left foot step on the line, sideways to the right. And second, left hand, hold the center arch, and up, down. And then third, start the end, and the left hand start fall into the dot hardy. You fix on. Yeah. The red wing outside. Down body face on right wing. Finally, the right hand swing, whole swing, put it back to your chin, and then release.
Wow.
So you must pull the swing back harder, further to your chin. Otherwise, it's not enough out. Second. Put it back further to your chin. Yeah. Same above. You 5 hours. Put it back to your chin. Yeah. So when you finish 5 hours, put the bow down and then back the waiting zone and beep beep. at the house.
Okay.